Hi, if we haven't met before, I'm Janetta Johnson, and on my YouTube channel, I like to share advice, um, encouragement, and cooking tutorials occasionally. Just stuff that is helpful for everyday living to encourage and enrich and uplift people's lives. So welcome to my YouTube video and my channel. I'm about to make a chicken sandwich with fried chicken, with a little fried chicken patty. And what I'm using is panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese. In this bowl I have flour. I have, I'm not sure how much I have here, but I just put some flour, some Lowry seasoning salt, some paprika, some salt and pepper. And the next one I have egg with a little bit of milk and some salt and pepper. I have the chicken breast that I've cut up and it's flat. I have my pan. You don't want to get it too hot or it'll burn it when you first put it in there. And then I have a bun that I'm going to toast in my toaster. So, I learned this watching somebody else's video. This guy's like, oh, this is my daughter's favorite. So, you start with putting the chicken in the flour mixture. Like this. And then you put it in the egg mixture. I got this in the wrong. I should have the flour over first. Oops. Then the egg mixture. And then the breading. Oops, the breading. Oops. And then in the hot grease. Making sure it's not too hot, but you don't want it not hot too. Okay, so we start with the flour mixture. Get flour on both sides. And for my bun, after I toast it, I put mayonnaise, a little bit of cheese, and you have the perfect chicken sandwich. It's amazing. Okay, here we go. I maybe should add more breadcrumbs in there. Anyway, it turns out absolutely delicious. So this is my new favorite thing to make. It's just about getting it right. Oops. Oh yeah, look at that. It's going to be beautiful this time, not overcooked. The time before I kind of overcooked it a little bit. The grease was too hot. But I have the grease just about right. So anything you want to watch. So you cook it for a few minutes. Then you toast your bun and get it ready. And voila, chicken sandwich. And you can put lettuce on it or whatever you want. Here's my chicken sandwich. Put the lid on. Oops, I kind of burnt my bun a little bit. I didn't notice that. Oops. Oops, I don't know how to pop this up. Sandwich. Doesn't that look good? I used sharp cheddar cheese. Fabulous. It's wonderful. Here's the finished product. My chicken sandwich. Looks good. Let me try a bite. Tastes good too. Yummy.